Hi everybody, and welcome to another room tour video. As you'll have seen from the title, this one's a little bit different. We are on Fremont Street, we're in the Golden Nugget. This is room 1482, which is a Carson Tower king room. So I'm going to show you around. So I've literally just checked in and had a quick nose around the room. So the carpet looks quite new, which is nice. I think this room, from what they said, has been kind of refurbished. I have noticed there's a couple of like knocks and bumps and things as I've been walking around, but nothing too dramatic. So as you come in, there's no kind of entranceway area. You come straight into the room. So I'd imagine probably a little bit noisy later on. So they have catered for that. So a little bit of artwork on the wall, feels a bit Nando's. The door to the adjoining room, which is locked, which is good. As you come in, you've got this nice big mirror. It's not a floor to ceiling, it's more like a makeup mirror with a little chair next to it. There are my keys. Then a little note. Down here, a little stool for that. Then you come round to the main area. Again, bit of Nando's style artwork on the wall. Temperature's really good. You've got the temperature being shown 72. So I'm going to knock that down and get it a bit cooler in here. Bedside tables matching both ends, both with nice lamps. The lamps are a little bit bashed and bruised. I've seen better days, but not too bad. There is some connectivity on the side. There is a plug on there, and as I mentioned about the noise before, complimentary earplugs. Bed looks nice and big and firm, which is what we like. Over here, you got a little waste paper basket, nice big TV. I've not checked that out yet, but we'll see what happens. Then some info on the hotel itself. A couple of nice chairs and a table. I'm liking the bottles of water, that's a nice touch. And the little cups to go with them. And then you got your ice bucket. Okay, it's my bag dumped on there. Another nice lamp. And then you got a huge AC, which takes up a big chunk of the room. I'm also not sure about these things up here. Quite ugly on the inside. I don't know what they add to the room. There's one above the bed as well. Not really my cup of tea. Possibly one of the worst views I've had in a Vegas room. We'll show you that now. So yeah, we've got the mountains, which are always nice, but we've literally got buildings, just random buildings. You can't see the plaza over in the distance. But yeah, not a great room in terms of the view and stuff. Not really much either way. Just trying to make sure there's nothing missing. Doesn't appear that there is. So I'm going to bring these back down because it is warm in this room. With them up, and we'll show you the bathroom. Bit of a quicker tour, this one. The bathroom, first impressions are that it's tiny. I'll take that fan off so it's not too noisy. So, single vanity. Your little lotions and things stuck to the wall. Nice big mirror. Some nice lighting above. Bit more artwork there. Plenty of towels, loo rolls, things like that. Toilet seems fine. And then pretty small bath. And your shower up there. Yeah, I mean the bathroom's tiny, but it'll do the job. I'm only here for one night. The night was comped through the Golden Nugget, so I can't moan too much because it is a free night. I'm having a night on Fremont, so I decided rather than staying in the Rio where I'm currently located as like my main hotel, I thought I'd just stay here for one night, check out in the morning and head back over to the Rio. Just means I'm not having to struggle for a taxi back later on. But yeah, absolutely fine for what I need. I think I'll be using those earplugs. And yeah, bed looks comfy, which is the main thing. I might even be getting a shower back at the Rio. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. There is one more to come in this series, so please check it out. I almost forgot to show you the closet. space and stuff. So let's have a look in here. So yeah, decent size ironing board, plenty of hangers and laundry bag. You have your hairdryer. That looks like your Wi-Fi modem up there. Iron, tissues. So you got your ironing board, luggage rack, and your safe. So yeah, pretty much everything you need. But yeah, and obviously the doors explains why this is only like a makeup station, is because you've got nice floor to ceiling doors on the closet with mirrors. So yeah, thought I'd show you that.